Do you want to learn about some sweet tuner parts that you could take home for free?
Well, we've got news for you. We will be reviewing authentic performance parts and giving them away to one lucky enthusiast.
Check out our webinars live now on slipanglemedia.com. Gain some knowledge of these sweet tuner parts and have the opportunity to take them home for absolutely free with great odds.
Look at this beard, man.
Next generation Papa Whitebeard.
Yeah, that's right. I'm getting old, man.
I'm not that far behind at you.
All right. Brow.
Yes, buddy. What are we doing today?
Yeah, what are we doing today? We are... All right. So, like some of you may know, we just recently bought a slightly damaged exoset. And it was a turbocharged exoset. The damage was in the front end, which means that the intercooler was damaged and wasn't even included in our purchase. So the exoset has the same turbo kit that I have on my car, which includes the Flyin Miata intercooler. I think that the intercooler that comes with the Flyin Miata kit does a well enough job. One of the things really bothered me is that it's kind of off-centered. And I think that's to accommodate for AC, because I think I don't know what that is, like the condenser or whatever it is. That
big
that
giant
little tank,
canister,
yeah, the little tank is on this side, and I think that it's off center to accommodate that. It's always kind of bugged me. It's also kind of thin for the opening of the mouth of the NA Miata. So what I've done is we're actually going to be reusing this intercooler because it fits well in the nose cone of an exoset. So we're going to be donating this intercooler to the exoset build. And I have purchased a Stage 1 intercooler from Fab9 Tuning. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to install this thing.
I love parts like this.
Yeah, I love
like
turbo
exhaust
parts.
Intakes, turbo parts.
Turbo parts.
Most
Oh, yeah.
rewarding.
Speaking of turbo parts, something else I got rid of from my Flyin Miata kit. The Defensive Octopus TDO Racing. I can't wait to finish this thing. I've got parts on order right now, AN lines for the coolant and the oil feed and drain. They're coming tomorrow, so we're going to be finishing this up as soon as well. But for right now, I figure we do a video on an install of the Fab9 Tuning Stage 1, which says it supports up to 350 horsepower. I'm not going to go that high. I don't want to change out drive lines and stuff. Like I want to stick to the standard Miata drive line. That was kind of always the philosophy with this car. Maybe I'll switch to a 6-speed and push a little more. But yeah, I think this intercooler should be just fine for the power levels that I want to do with this car. And honestly, I think I found like one video online of this intercooler of an install, and it barely showed what it looks like on the car. And you can't find photos of it anywhere.
Well, so, perfect. That's what we're here for.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll fill a much needed gap. Does that make sense?
I get it.
Yeah.
I see what you did there.
Yeah. I hope it fills that opening too on each side. Yeah. I know it's not much bigger, but it is a little bit bigger. But let's see. Let's get this thing installed. And this is also going to be a video to show how to adapt it to the standard Flyin Miata silicone intercooler charge pipes as well.
Looks good.
I really like the mounting solution for this too. It just seems much simpler.
Oh, so this isn't a universal core. It's made to go on a...
The core is a vibrant core, but I believe that they fab it, so they just do the end tanks, which already have these the mounting points on them.
Oh, Fab9 does that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I believe so. I mean, I could be wrong. I could just be blowing shit out my ass. Looks good though.
Let me see that. Do a length comparison.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's so much bigger than I thought too.
Oh my goodness.
I hear that a lot too.
Yeah. That's gonna look great.
Yeah, it should look good. Should fit this bumper, and then that intercooler fits the exoset bumper pretty well too. So this should be a good upgrade.
Is it the same thickness?
That's a good question.
About
3 1/4.
3 1/4.
3.
Ooh,
It's wider.
I've got a 1/4 inch.
Yep.
Every bit counts.
All right.
All right, time to get to work.
Yeah, we gotta fit this thing up. Let's get this thing in the air.
Is this like a V-mount setup you got going on here?
Yeah, exactly. More efficient that way.
Race car stuff.
All right, so this install should be very straightforward. We've gotten the old intercooler off, which was very easy. It's just two 10mm bolts by the hood catch. I already have my little tow hooks removed. So that's exactly where the mounting point is for this intercooler. So this is going to be a very, very easy install. Let's just get this guy. I think I'm going to have to trim. I think I remember seeing that trimming some of the bumper is recommended. We'll see once we get it installed.
Master, you got this by yourself?
Yeah, I got it. I already got one bolt in.
Oh, sick.
So that's it. That's in. I'm just gonna tighten it down, but I think we got a couple of these tabs. Hit it. I want to just trim those down. I just love the way that this mounts so much better.
Oh, it's gonna look great. All centered.
Yep, it's centered finally. Symmetrical. Wider. It just fits the opening better. And it's closer too, which gives it the appearance of being bigger.
It's all up in your face.
Yep. Looks good.
So we're gonna see if you gotta trim these
Oh yeah, I know.
intercooler pipes.
It said it was easily adapted to the Flyin Miata pipes.
I mean, these pipes are pretty flexible. It's not like they're hard pipes.
Yeah, that's nice. It's
So-
the nice thing. It's all silicone.
Yeah.
Less joints. Yeah, this one looks like it might be a little bit of an issue.
Might take a little persuasion.
Yeah, especially because the turbo's up higher.
Yeah, so you
this
changed
little
two
hole.
things that this pipe connects to, so
Yep.
she's a little out of whack now.
I also trimmed a lot off of it from the Flyin Miata pipe the way it came from the factory.
Oh, you trimmed some upstairs?
I trimmed up some upstairs, yeah. Because it was like too much pipe with the Flyin Miata manifold.
All right.
So this is what I had to do to get the intercooler to work. Just showing this really quick. I measured this. This is about an 8-inch extension of a 2.5-inch aluminum pipe. I had a good friend Derek bead roll each end. And I think it went 6 inches. And I think it needs to be a little bit longer actually, but this is a 6-inch extension here. Oh geez, where am I pointing?
Right, Heather.
Yep.
Yeah, I think you should have Derek do the whole 9.
Yeah.
One day.
This is a little bit different than the Flyin Miata, though. My kit, the turbo sits a little bit higher. So on a Flyin Miata car, this might be enough. Maybe I'll stop saying now.
If I was a chick stranded on the side of the road, I'd hop in. I'd let you give me a ride.
There you go. That says it all.
Oh.
Pound Town, baby.
Well, that's it. There it is, right there, justified.
No, it looks good.
Yeah.
You said it mounts up better. I think Vibrant makes good stuff.
Yeah. I mean, well, this intercooler is like the stage 1 intercooler from Fab9 Tuning.
Yep.
It uses a Vibrant core, and then they weld on the end tanks and the mounting points.
See how thick the cores are?
Yeah, exactly.
That's a sign of a good intercooler.
Yep.
A lot of them are rolled small. I mean, like, on less efficient ones, this is good.
Yep.
Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for a ride.
Oh yeah. It'll be ready soon.
Oh, it doesn't run?
No, it doesn't.
Oh,
run.
I-
Okay, Quinn, you
I
know
take-
that.
What?
You know that.
I'll get some other stud to take me home, Matthew.
Come on, flip around. Yeah. So this intercooler, I mean, we needed an intercooler for the Exo set.
We did.
The Flyin Miata intercooler, I think, fits better inside the nose of an Exo set. it always kind of bothered me that it was a little bit off center. So I wouldn't necessarily think that this would be a good upgrade from a Flyin Miata intercooler to this Fab9. What are you doing?
I'm trying to see.
Like, I don't know if it's necessarily worth the money to do the upgrade just for like more efficiency or not, but it just happened to be that like,
No.
because of our
This
situation.
is all about Ricer cred here.
Yeah.
This mod.
Yeah, I'm still very happy with it. Just that it was bugging me every time I'd look at it. It'd be just.
I know why you want us to get the damn Exoset so bad. It's because it just gives you an
upgrade,
excuse to get rid of all the stuff on your car and
upgrade. Yeah,
all for the name of the Exoset build, right, kids? let's be real here.
yeah.
Check out our webinars on Slip Angle Media and the webinars link. Guys, we give away wonderful tuner parts. You buy a seat for a live review. You get to spend some one-on-one time with me and the boys. And Brown.
Buy some hoodies, some shirts.
What are you doing over there?
Just taking photos of your red rocket.
But yeah, so like we keep the seating low, so you have a really good chance of taking it home. One person gets picked at the end of it as the winner. You can buy as many seats as you want because we understand you may have friends that want to join it. And what else can I say about this? You don't have to be present for the live to be eligible for the giveaway. It is recorded. You can always go back and watch the recording if you want to hear what we have to say about the review and our input on things. But yeah, it helps us support the channel. We're not asking for Patreon or donations. And this way it gives us a chance to give something back to you guys, give you some sweet tuner parts.
And Mac feed his kids.
And
Oh,
Matt,
yeah.
Matt can feed his little
I have way too many mouths at
CPs
home.
that are running around. So
Do you think people are gonna understand
that's up for
that?
interpretation what it means. But that's it, guys.
That's it.
Close out, Matt. Shoot
All
your
right.
video.